Welcome to my channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the carb-free foods. Foods for weight loss, ketosis, zero carb foods. The number one is avocado. Rich in healthy fats and low in carbs. Avocado is staple for keto diet. Very helpful keto diet. Next is eggs. A versatile source of protein and healthy fats. Eggs are a great choice for keto meals. Very important food for keto diet. Eggs and avocado. The next is meat. Chicken. Opted for meat like beef, chicken and lamb for protein and essential nutrients. Number 4 is cheese. High fat cheese like cheddar cheese, cream cheese and goat cheese are keto friendly. Use these cheese for keto diet. The next food for keto diet is butter and ghee. These are excellent source of healthy fats and can be used for cooking as well. Butter and ghee. The next is olive oil. Olive oil, butter and ghee, the excellent source for healthy fats. Today we are discussing the keto diet, zero carb foods. The next is fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel and other fatty fish provide omega-3 fatty acids and proteins. Olive oil. Olive oil, another healthy oil option, and olive oil is ideal for keto diet and zero carb foods. Ideal for salad, dressings and cooking. Next is nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds are low carb or high fat choices. Use almonds for zero carb foods, weight loss. Next is cauliflower. Non-starchy veggies are rich in fiber and nutrients. Use cauliflower. Next is berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries are lower in carbs compared to other fruits. Use raspberries, blueberries. Next is heavy cream, a keto-friendly alternative to milk, ideal for coffee and cooking. Use. The next is a yogurt, high in protein and moderate in carbs. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties. The next is herbs and spices. Enhance flavor without adding carbs, making your keto meal more enjoyable. Spices make your meal enjoyable. Last but not least, chocolates. Dark chocolates in moderation. Opted for chocolate with high cocoa content and mineral added sugar. These are all foods for ketosis, weight loss, zero carb foods. If you want to reduce weight, use these top 15 foods for ketosis and weight loss. And watch my channel Passion Food and Health for amazing videos. Thank you very much.